Hello everybody, this is Amber with Craftaboo, and today we are going to go over a tutorial for the magic ring. This is something that you should be using at the beginning of all of your projects because I find that it's a lot easier to control your tension and to get your project's final look the way that you want it. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, and let's dig in and get started. Okay, so when do you use the magic ring? Usually in anything that you're working in the round, hats or granny squares, things of that nature. Sometimes the pattern will tell you to chain 3 and join to the first stitch, but that leaves this ugly little hole in the middle of your work after that you get done that the magic ring helps to eliminate. So that's one of the main reasons that I like to use it. So let's get into it. What I like to do is I wrap the yarn around my fingers just like that so that there's a little X. Okay, and then I put my finger on it so everything holds still and stays put. And then I take my hook and I insert it under this piece of yarn right here. Just like that. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna be grabbing this piece of yarn and drawing up a loop with it. So we're gonna do it nice and slow. Draw the loop up. And then at this point I pinch it so that everything stays put. Okay, so now this is what it should be looking like. And then just do a chain 1 to hold everything in place. And this is what you've got. Just a really cool circle that you can start working stitches into. So do you want to see it in action? You just pull on this little tail and your circle shrinks just a little bit. And then I'm just going to do a few single crochets into the ring so you can see what it looks like in action. And I really like using this for granny squares because I don't like the center of them to be so open. And using this, you can adjust that tension however you like. So now that you see that I have a few stitches in that magic ring, you pull on your working tail, well, not your working tail, but your leftover tail right here, and that ring just shrinks right up, just like that. And it's really cool. I really love using this. So let's do it one more time, because I know that there's a lot of yarn and your hands are arguing with each other right at the beginning. So let's just do it a couple more times so that you get the hang of it. Take your yarn, wrap it around your fingers, make your X, just like that. I put my finger on it to hold everything in place, okay? Now take your hook and insert it under that piece right there. Grab this one and pull up a loop, okay? Just like that. And then at this point, I pinch this so that everything holds still. And then just do a single chain to lock everything in place. Just like that. Okay, you wanna see it one more time? I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. Okay, we make our X, pinch it, grab it, pinch it again, do a chain 1. And there you go. That is your magic ring tutorial. If you have any questions or if you're struggling or just don't really understand what's going on, please feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help troubleshoot. And thanks for watching.